Hey, I'm Janaya and I'm singing Royal by Lord. If you're still watching, thank you and subscribe and comment and thank you for watching. Diamonds in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movie, and I'm not proud of my dress. In the torn up town, an old post cool as me. But every song I go deep, break, coach tripping in the bathroom, but in small couch, trashing on the tap room, we don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like Crystal Maybach, diamonds on your tight t-shirt, Lake Island, tigers on the gold leash, we don't care. We are caught up in the love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's the record of life, the kind of love just ain't for us. We crave for different kinds of vibes, so let me be your ruler, ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we're practical. We caught our darlings on the train to the party. And everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with you. We didn't come for money, but every song's like gold teeth, break comes tripping in the bathroom, looking for a gal, stretching the hotel room, we don't care. We're drawing Cadillacs in our teens, but everybody's like Crystal Maybach, diamonds on your tiny beach, Jet Plane Island, hackers on the gold leash, we don't care. We are caught up in the love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's the weapon of life, that kind of love should ain't for us. We crave a different kind of vibes, and let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. Oh. And I'm a loving queen. Oh. We are kind of in love affair, and we'll never be alone. It's a moment of love, the kind of love she ain't for us. We crave a different kind of vibe, and let me be your ruler. You can love me queen bee, and baby I'll and let that fantasy. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.